Hello. In this video we are going to talk about comparison of lions with other members of the cat family. They are from one family but also have their differences. Here are some of them. Size and physical appearance. Lions. Lions are the second largest big cat species, after tigers. Adult males can weigh between 330 to 550 pounds, 150 to 250 kilograms, and reach a length of 8 to 10 feet, 2.5 to 3 meters, excluding the tail. They have a muscular build, a large head, and a distinctive mane in males. Tigers. Tigers are the largest big cat species. Adult males can weigh between 400 to 660 pounds, 180 to 300 kilograms, and reach a length of 9 to 11 feet, 2.7 to 3.3 meters, excluding the tail. They have a powerful build and characteristic orange coat with dark stripes. Cheetahs. Cheetahs are smaller and more slender than lions and tigers. They weigh between 75 to 140 pounds, 34 to 64 kilograms, and have a body length of 3.5 to 4.5 feet, 1.1 to 1.4 meters, excluding the tail. They have a lean build, long legs, and a coat covered in black spots. Leopards. Leopards are similar in size to cheetahs. They weigh between 66 to 176 pounds, 30 to 80 kilograms, and have a body length of 3.5 to 6 feet, 1 to 1.8 meters, excluding the tail. They have a compact build, muscular body, and a coat with rosette patterns. Jaguars. Jaguars are similar in size to leopards but more robust. They weigh between 100 to 250 pounds, 45 to 113 kilograms, and have a body length of 4.5 to 6 feet, 1.4 to 1.8 meters, excluding the tail. They have a stocky build, powerful jaws, and a coat with large rosette patterns. Habitat and distribution. Lions. Lions primarily inhabit grasslands, savannas, and open woodlands in Africa, with a small population in the Gir forest of India. Tigers. Tigers prefer dense forests, mangrove swamps, and grasslands in various parts of Asia, including India, Russia, and Southeast Asian countries. Cheetahs. Cheetahs are mainly found in sub-Saharan Africa, with a small population in Iran. They prefer open grasslands, savannas, and arid habitats. Leopards. Leopards have a wide distribution across Africa, Asia, and parts of the Middle East. They are adaptable and can thrive in various habitats, including forests, mountains, and deserts. Jaguars. Jaguars are primarily found in the Americas, ranging from the southwestern United States to Argentina. They inhabit dense forests, swamps, and grasslands. Social structure. Lions. Lions are the only social big cats, forming prides consisting of multiple related females, their offspring, and a few resident males. They engage in cooperative hunting and defend their territory together. Tigers. Tigers are solitary animals and have overlapping home ranges. Males have larger territories that encompass the territories of several females. Cheetahs. Cheetahs are generally solitary animals, although they may form small groups consisting of mothers and their dependent offspring. Leopards. Leopards are solitary animals, except during mating or when a mother is raising her cubs. They establish and defend their own territories. Jaguars. Jaguars are solitary animals and are known for their elusive nature. Males have larger territories that overlap with those of several females. Hunting and prey. Lions. Lions are apex predators that rely on cooperative hunting. They primarily target large ungulates such as wildebeests, zebras, and buffaloes. Tigers. Tigers are powerful solitary hunters that ambush their prey. They primarily hunt medium to large-sized ungulates, such as deer, wild boar, and water buffalo. Cheetahs. Cheetahs are specialized hunters that rely on their incredible speed to chase down prey. They primarily target small to medium-sized ungulates, such as gazelles and impalas. Leopards. Leopards are versatile hunters that are known for their stealth and climbing abilities. They have a broad diet that includes small to medium-sized mammals, birds, and even reptiles. Jaguars. Jaguars are opportunistic hunters and are known for their ability to hunt in water. They prey on a variety of animals, including deer, peccaries, fish, and caimans. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos.